You like to build claps by your own? Today I will show you a simple tutorial how you can do this in the Serum synthesizer. Let's have a look. So in here I drawed a simple MIDI pattern for a clap. Nothing special. Then I add an instance of Serum. We do not need the oscillator A. We will just work on the noise. I loaded a simple bright white noise and set the level to 0. Next, I connect LFO1 with the level. Now I start drawing an LFO curve and switch to envelope mode. Also switch off the LFO anchor and the BPM. Let's listen to this. Not bad at all. Time for some EQ. As always, I add a low cut. And in this case also a high cut, because I want to leave some space for hi-hats. Now I boost a bit around 500 Hz for the bottom. Bit more of low cut. Next, I add some compression. In this case, 4:1 is a nice starting point. The attack time is set around 10 milliseconds because I want the snap in the beginning of the sound. If you like it a bit more stereo, you can use a delay from Ableton or some other plugins. I set it to time, full wet, no feedback, and unlink the channels. Let's see what happens. If you like it a bit more dirty, you can use the overdrive or the saturation tool. It's too much level. And if you like to, you can pitch the clap also to your dedicated note. This clap is pretty simple. For sure you can add layers to it, use reverb, other sound design tools, whatever you like. It's just a starting point for your own first self-designed